Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This open menu service, all member message not work, but I solution 100% working open menu service. Just follow my solution by instructor. First open browser and clean all. Okay, then tap clean all clean. Then history clean, history all clean. First of all, history all clean, then done and open. Sorry.
বলো বলো দোকানে দোকানে
Now open my website. Open Mr-ProFixer. Then follow this issue. Many people message this issue. Many people. Face ID not working. Error. I show my skin. Skin no problem. Then you first of all install shortcut. Now open. Now shortcut. Now I just make this solution. Now next, copy link. This link must be copy. Then next, open this website. Open this website and sign in. Must be show your face ID. You try more and more. That's no show. I show more and more. Then more and more. Now more, just okay. Now paste the this copy link, just paste and type skin password. Now working 100%, 110% working this error. Now open my short Mr-ProFixer apps. Now allow. Now this code send me 100% working your service, 110% working open menu service. Now I show my PC. I first I copy code. Now I code I already copy. Then show how to unlock my website. Then copy paste. Sorry. Now okay. Now 110% open menu service working. Now working 100 open menu 100 done. Unlock done. Now show this check message. Now 110% done. I show website, no problem. This 110 already done. My model iPhone 15 plus. Now I show open website. Unlocking. Okay. Now I first copy IME. This wait. Now this IME 29 show. I show, then you check. Now I the same IME. Okay. Now okay. Now I check FMI. All process 110% working. Enjoy all guys. Now FMI off. So enjoy my service and all my family member, Mr-ProFixer, AHR Pro, multi-tool member. Enjoy.